Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use YouTube Studio AI Ideas feature. Now, to use the YouTube Studio AI Ideas feature, you have to navigate to your YouTube Studio's dashboard. Now, this is not yet available in YouTube Studio's application, so you have to use a browser for this. Go to your browser, then type in YouTube Studio, then head to the official YouTube Studio site. Now, if you are in a mobile device like me, what you can do is simply tap on this three horizontal lines, scroll a little bit down, and you should be able to find this desktop site option. Go ahead and enable this, then only you should be able to access this site without opening your application on your device. So once you do so, all you have to do is now from there you should be able to find a star-like icon located on the top right navigation bar or the menu bar right next to the search icon. So from there, go ahead and tap on it and you should be able to chat with this YouTube's Studio AI. Now go ahead and tap on it, then you can ask any questions and give your custom prompts as well, such as show me ideas for AI cybersecurity tools, and all you have to do is tap on that create ideas button and the AI will guide you through every process. And that is how you can use this AI ideas feature within the YouTube Studio site. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.